Hi, my name is Caroline, and this is Mindfulness Mondays with the Austin Nature and Science Center. For the next few weeks, we're going to be posting videos on ways that you can find calm, peaceful moments. This week on Mindfulness Mondays, we're talking about Zen rock gardens. For hundreds and hundreds of years, people in the country of Japan have been making rock gardens. Rock gardens are usually made out of sand and pebbles, rocks, and moss. When people make rock gardens, they usually rake patterns into the sand. The patterns are designed to make you feel calm, so they kind of look wavy like the water. The patterns also don't last forever, so they're done over and over again. People use the gardens to practice their magic breath. Sometimes people even use the gardens to tell stories. The rocks are characters or even islands. Today, we're going to be making mini rock gardens together. So you'll need a tray or a cookie sheet to make your rock garden on, and if you have a sandbox at home, that works okay too. You'll also need sand that you may even use in your sand pit, or Epsom salt works really well too. I'm going to use Epsom salt today. Then you'll want to find some rocks for your rock garden. I like to use these small circular rocks because I think they're really interesting. I wonder what kind of rocks you'll use. You can use a fork or stick and some other kitchen utensils. I like to use a brush for certain things and a stick for other things. You'd be surprised at some of the patterns you can make with these other kitchen utensils.
When you're making a rock garden, first you pour the sand or Epsom salt into your tray. Then you can try spreading it out with your hand. You'll want the sand as flat as possible. So after using your hand, you can try and smooth it out with a brush. If you want your garden to be very flat, you can use a straight stick to flatten it out more. Now that you have very flat sand, you can begin making patterns. A stick is an excellent tool for making circles around your rocks. Next, I like to add color. In big rock gardens, they usually use moss. But because we have a small rock garden, I'm going to add some green leaves.
When you finish your rock garden, try and sit in front of it. Hold a rock in your hand and practice your magic breath. Remember, rock gardens are only supposed to last a short amount of time. They're not supposed to last forever. So when your rock garden design gets ruined, you can always make another one.
Remember, when you're making your rock garden, it's good to use materials that you find lying around. So maybe you find your rocks, or the stick you use is something you found in your backyard.
Rock gardens are supposed to make you feel calm. So if you make a mistake, just remember to take a deep breath and try again. I hope you really enjoyed making a rock garden. I'll see you next week.
Check out our Facebook page for more videos by the Austin Nature and Science Center.